Flashback, 88, caught my first tape, 3rd grade, young girl banging, Roxy and Shantae, around my way, Claude McKay, disarray, Langston's the dark hues, get bruised, stored away, hey, caught in cage, fought in the maze, gave up, and now I got dreams of being live on stage, what, turn the volume up, me and my cousin doing the wop, dreaming about the salt and pepper haircut, speakers bump light as a rock pumps, the rhythm of my next double Dutch jump, what you want at once, Pacola Bree loves her, we dreamed of ourselves, new win, Latifah showed us what a queen was, went from invisible to seen on the smooth tip, sweet tea, to follow Moni in the middle on the scene, saw them, saw myself out, the rock mics when I'm older, picked up the pen and like internet, this is for Latifah, for life, for Shantae, Bahamadia, Laura Hill, Heather B, for Jean Grey, EVE, Nikki D, Salt and Pepper, even me, Apani B, for Missy, for Kim, and Foxy, for Rod Digger, Rage, Left Eye, for Yo-Yo, Paula Perry, Nonchalant, the Brat, for Jane Doe, Rage, Mystic Boss, Pocky D, for those never seen, on the search for female MCs, the microphone fiends, stomped in the 90s, after school you could find me in the backyard, begging for a beatbox, rhyming, you and ITY and Heather B Blues, frame the news of the death of Phyllis Hyman, I rap to keep from crying, taking mine, now I'm the boss, recipe board show, they say no girls in the cypher, so I rock solo, living on the black street, ill nana get me home though, I rap along to every song, it ain't no playing with my yo-yo, check how I hit every note though, even sung along the patois, like in the joint she did with Patra, I'm on a romantic blank page calling, I feel inside the crowd, yes you're nonchalantly in the trance at 5 o'clock in the morning, sported the Kim hardcore wig, then came Lauren, she showed me the beauty in the natural cut, amplify my rage growing out my afro, yeah, this is for Latifah, for life, for Shantae, Bahamadia, Laura Hill, Heather B, for Jean Grey, EVE, Nikki D, Salt and Pepper, even me, Apani B, for Missy, for Kim, and Foxy, for Rod Digger, Rage, Left Eye, for Yo-Yo, Paula Perry, Nonchalant, the Brat, for Jane Doe, Rage, Mystic Boss, Pocky D, for those never seen, on the search for female MCs, the microphone fiend, millennium came of age, while things stayed the same, media forms changed, new names from what to Jean Grey, we bootleg the bootleg, Facebook on MySpace, put away cassette, VHS tapes and vinyl crates, fast forward album release dates, how popularizing what we buy, how we're objectified in these days, tell me what's the plight of a female MC's fate, or what's the worth of a woman's story to a DJ, downloading everyone and none, my hero seemingly gone, searching found Laura Hill unplugged, guess I lost one, some come and go, self-labeled bitch and hoe, inherited a discourse, I turn off the radio, I can't relate, nor can I hate, for the ways we negotiate the sexy spaces that we navigate, I stay reppin', haunted by the ghost of hip-hop's crescent, it seems,
fantasy is what people want, reality is what we need.
This is for Latifah, for life, for Shantae, Bahamadia, Laura Hill, Heather B, for Jean Grey, EVE, Nikki D, Salt and Pepper, even me, Apani B, for Missy, for Kim, and Foxy, for Rod Digger, Rage, Left Eye, for Yo-Yo, Paula Perry, Nonchalant, the Brat, for Jane Doe, Rage, Mystic Boss, Pocky D, for those never seen, on the search for female MCs, the microphone fiends, the world is listening. The world is listening. The world is listening.